That's looking pretty good. Coat the bottom. Perfect. A little bit more here. Not flour on me?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
Means you're a baker.
I've never made a carrot cake from scratch. It's always that moist. So this recipe uses oil rather than butter. That may be the difference that you're seeing, but it should be pretty moist. We're doing our best to make the outcome even here. And yeah, doing pretty good, I think. Should have two pretty even 9-inch rounds. You want to try to scrape some more? Maybe.
I don't know. I think we need a mini spatch for that.
We got that.
I think we did. I think we did just right. You know. You want to spatch the spatch?
Sure. Doop. Little spatulas saving the day. Ah. Little spatulas. Oh shit, a raisin. You know what would have happened if we would have missed that raisin? Oh my goodness. We would have never been the same. Could you imagine? Imagine a time and space and of no raisin, a singular raisin.
That one's smaller.
This one's smaller?
Yeah, we'll probably just need to pull it out a little earlier.
Be
Can go on top.
Blink.
Wait, no.
Okay.
Oh, I thought we were gonna small spatula the. Whatever.
Well, no, we can.
No, it's good.
It's good.
We got plenty. Yep.
Fairly even. All right. So these are going to go in the oven, and what was the time on them?
35 to 45.
We're gonna start
At 30 probably.
30.
Yeah, for the little one.
Okay. So you want to set that timer? All right. So these are going to go in the oven. Boop. Watch out, Beefy. Watch your buns, hon. Don't want none if she ain't got buns, hon. All right. Perfect. We're going to make this a little bit smaller, and then we're going to start working on dinner here, which is going to be the chicken tikka masala rice bowls by, what was it? What did we call them?
Goodbye spoiled.
Goodbye spoiled.
Well, actually, is this dirty?
It ran through the dishwasher, but it's got a little residue on it.
Yeah, all right. We'll use a different pan. We'll use my favorite pan.
Man. Oh, I love raisins. What I was saying is that there was a raisin that got stuck to the back of the spatula for whatever reason. I don't know. Goodbye spoiled, the name for my produce bins. What happened? Oh, yeah.
I think that was residue formerly known as rice.
No, this is fine.
Oh, no. Where's the,
Colander?
No, the pan, the black pan with the steep sides.